Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best GMC Sierra is probably one of the most capable and versatile trucks on the market, offering a blend of rugged durability, advanced technology, and refined comfort that makes it a top contender for anyone in need of a reliable workhorse or a luxurious daily driver. Whether you're tackling tough job sites, hauling heavy loads, or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the Sierra is engineered to perform, providing a commanding presence on the road and an impressive suite of features designed to enhance your driving experience. Number 5. YITAMOTOR floor mats for Silverado Sierra. These floor mats are custom designed to perfectly fit your Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra, ensuring complete coverage for your truck's interior floor. Crafted from high-density TPE rubber, they are odorless and free from harmful chemicals. The non-slip design keeps them securely in place for a safer drive. With a textured surface and raised edges, these liners effectively trap dirt, liquids, and debris. They provide reliable protection in any weather condition, keeping your floors clean year-round. Installing these mats is simple, just place them in your truck. Cleaning is just as easy, a quick rinse is all it takes to make them look new again. Engineered with advanced technology for tailored protection, choose YITAMOTOR for dependable, all-weather floor guards built to last. What we like. These floor mats offer unparalleled protection for your truck's interior. They are designed to trap liquids, snow, and debris, keeping your floors pristine. If you frequently encounter harsh weather or carry messy cargo, these are the perfect choice for maintaining a clean truck. What people say. The engine is powerful and responsive, providing excellent acceleration and towing capability. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials and a modern design. The infotainment system is user-friendly and offers a good range of features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Number 4. OEDRO Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover for Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra 1500. This tonneau cover is designed for a precise fit on your 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot fleetside bed. It's engineered for the new body style, ensuring seamless integration. Experience a great combination of security, convenience, and appearance. It transforms your truck bed into a secure, dust-proof, and snow-proof trunk with easy installation. Crafted from double-layer PVC, it offers excellent UV protection and tensile strength. The pre-assembled rails and aluminum clamps ensure a stable and long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze, requiring no extra tools or drilling in most cases. Simply follow the included manual for a smooth and straightforward setup. Enhance your truck's look with this sleek cover while keeping your cargo hidden and protected. It's ideal for daily use, outdoor adventures, and long journeys, creating versatile storage. What we like. Enhance your truck's security and style with this soft trifold tonneau cover. It transforms your truck bed into a secure, dust-proof, and snow-proof storage space. If you value convenience, security, and a sleek look for your truck bed, this is an excellent option. What people say. The engine is powerful and responsive, providing excellent acceleration and towing capability. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The truck's exterior design is bold and aggressive, with sharp lines and a commanding presence on the road. Number 3. Meginc Truck Dog Car Seat Covers. Introducing the Meginc Dog Car Seat Covers, designed to keep your truck's back seat pristine. It offers heavy-duty, waterproof protection against spills, scratches, and pet messes. This cover is universally designed to fit most full-size trucks, ensuring a snug and secure fit. It's also suitable for cars and SUVs up to 61 inches wide. Crafted with durable, waterproof materials, it shields your seats from pet hair, urine, and even kids' messy snacks. The robust fabric prevents scratches, keeping your interior looking new. More than just for pets, this cover provides full protection for passengers, cargo, and children. It allows easy access for child car seats, making every journey more enjoyable. Available in 5 stylish color options, you can choose the perfect match for your vehicle's interior. Make family and pet travel easier and more enjoyable with this essential accessory. What we like. Protect your back seats from pets and kids with these durable, waterproof seat covers. Made from heavy-duty Oxford fabric, they guard against scratches, spills, and pet hair. If you're a pet owner or have young children, these covers provide peace of mind and easy cleanup. What people say. The engine is powerful and responsive, providing excellent acceleration and towing capability. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. The truck's advanced safety features, such as blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking, offer peace of mind on the road. Number 2. Xcover Low-Profile Hard-Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Introducing the Xcover Low-Profile Hard-Folding Tonneau Cover, designed to keep your cargo safe and secure in any weather. Its robust construction ensures your belongings are protected from moisture and dirt, no matter the conditions. This cover offers a sleek, low-profile design that sits flush within your truck bed. It even allows you to utilize your stake pockets while it's installed, offering both style and functionality. Experience advanced security with our patent-pending clamping system. It features a unique latch design for easy, one-finger operation and automatic locking, providing excellent theft protection. Crafted with durable, scratch-resistant hard panels, this cover can support up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. It's built to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Get your truck bed covered in minutes with our no-drilling, fully assembled design. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to protect your cargo right away. We stand by our product with a 5-year warranty against defects. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected, and our customer service is here to help with any needs. What we like. This hard-folding tonneau cover offers robust protection and security for your truck bed. Its low-profile design maintains your truck's sleek look while keeping cargo safe from the elements and theft. If you need maximum security and durability for your cargo, this cover is a top contender. What people say. The GMC Sierra has a powerful engine that provides excellent towing capacity. The interior of the GMC Sierra is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials. The infotainment system in the GMC Sierra is user-friendly and responsive. Number 1. Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra Console Organizer 2014 to 2018. Get more for your money with this incredible value pack. You'll receive both a center console organizer and an armrest storage box, offering exceptional savings. Designed to seamlessly integrate with your truck's interior, these organizers are custom-made for a perfect fit. They are specifically engineered for 2014 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra models with full consoles and bucket seats. Transform your truck's interior by expanding your storage capacity. These organizers create convenient upper storage for your essentials, keeping them within easy reach while leaving ample space below for larger items. Crafted from high-quality ABS material with reinforced edges, these organizers are built to last. They also come with non-slip mats to keep your items secure and prevent rattling while you drive. Please note that these organizers are designed exclusively for trucks with full consoles and bucket seats. They do not fit models with split bench seats or certain other vehicle types like the Tahoe or Suburban. Elevate your driving experience with these essential truck accessories. Keep your cabin organized and your frequently used items easily accessible. What we like. Maximize your truck's interior storage with this 2-piece organizer set. It perfectly fits your console and armrest, providing easy access to daily essentials. If you're looking to declutter your truck and keep frequently used items organized and within reach, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The engine is powerful and has great acceleration. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom for all passengers. The infotainment system is user-friendly and responsive, with a large touchscreen display. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.